Hi, I'm Mac Davis Sirunay, one of the flight instructors here in Leading Edge International Aviation Academy. 35 years old, part of Charlie Batch of 2018. Dati ko pang pangarap maging piloto. But since we don't have the resources, nag-military muna ako. And then I'm proud to say na I'm one of the scholars ng ACDI na nabigyan ng opportunity na maging pilot here at Leading Edge. So at first, hindi ko masyadong naisip na maging flight instructor. But since it's part of my contract na maging instructor, I took the challenge. After a while, na-realize ko, fulfilling din naman pala na maging instructor. No? Aside sa natututo yung estudyante, natututo din ako, mas lalo ako natututo habang nagtuturo sa kanila. And isa pa dyan is, alam mo yung kita mo na natututo sila, or especially yung natuturuan mo, tas pumasa ng check ride. Just recently, I was promoted to a senior flight instructor. So right now, I'm handling pre-solo. Pre-solo means I'll be teaching students from their 0R. I'm looking forward right now na makapag-release ako ng first kong student on his first solo. Sa mga aspiring pilots, continue to dream. Katulad nyo din ako before. Hindi ko maisip kung paano makapagpiloto, makapagpalipad. But I was given a chance. So kung ako, nakuha ko, makukuha nyo rin. So let's keep that dream alive. Go get that dream. Let's go!